Hey friends, are you tired of your under sink area looking like a cleaning product crime scene? Spray bottles tipping over, sponges playing hide and seek, and that one bottle of dish soap from 2010 just chilling like it owns the place? Yeah, same. But guess what? I found the ultimate solution, and it's called the Realinn Under Sink Organizer. This thing is a two-tier, pull-out L-shaped miracle worker. Yes, you heard that right, L-shaped. Because your plumbing has curves, and this organizer, it respects them. The narrow top and wide bottom leave space for all those annoying pipes and tall bottles. It's like it was designed by someone who actually opened a cabinet once. Imagine that! And look at this. Sliding drawers with handles. No more deep diving into the abyss of doom under your sink. I pull. It glides out. I grab what I need like a boss. Honestly, I feel like I'm opening a secret vault every time. Who needs a treasure chest when you have a cabinet this satisfying? Now let's talk installation. Are you ready? No tools, no screwdrivers, no calling your cousin who kinda knows stuff. It snaps together in literal seconds. And with suction cups and tapes at the bottom, this baby isn't going anywhere. Unless it's running from commitment, which luckily, it's not. It's made of steel, holds up to 50 pounds, and it's got a rust-proof, beautiful finish. Basically, it's the Ryan Gosling of organizers. Strong, reliable, and easy on the eyes. But wait, there's more. This isn't just for your kitchen sink. I use mine in the bathroom to hold skincare, in the laundry room for detergent, and yes, I even considered turning it into a mini snack station. Priorities. So if you're ready to go from cabinet chaos to kitchen cabinet organization royalty, do yourself a favor and grab the Realinn Under Sink Organizer. Your future, fabulous, and way more organized self will thank you. Link in bio/caption. Get it before your cleaning supplies unionize and demand better living conditions. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this with a friend who has that one scary cabinet. You know the one. Stay organized and stay awesome. Bye for now. Hi.